avocado a day could keep LDL, or that bad cholesterol, at bay. But
What's in the avocado?
So the avocado is this nutrient-rich, power-packed fruit.
Would you prefer to have a very savory breakfast like avocado, tomato, cucumber?
Dr. Barbara O'Neill has often shared some of the most surprising yet practical health tips, and one that stands out is her method of using avocados in a way that could change how your body heals itself in just a month. What's the secret behind this powerful fruit, and why is it essential in Barbara O'Neill's healing routine? In her typical hands-on approach, Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains a unique way to prepare kale salad, combining it with the creamy goodness of avocado. She doesn't just toss ingredients together, she transforms tough kale into a tender and delicious base. By massaging Celtic salt into finely sliced kale, something remarkable happens. The kale becomes soft and almost steamed, preparing the body to absorb nutrients better. But the real game changer is adding chopped tomato and avocado into the mix. Dr. Barbara O'Neill insists that these simple ingredients don't just taste great. They provide the body with a raw, nutrient-packed dish that aids in healing and overall wellness.
And of course, avocado would depend on where the person lives, because sometimes the avocado is just too expensive or not grown there.
So, why avocado? According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, avocado isn't just a tasty addition. It's a superfood that works in harmony with other ingredients to support the body's natural healing processes. Its creamy texture balances out the kale's toughness, but it's the avocado's rich, healthy fats that truly make the difference. These fats help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and minerals, which can accelerate healing. Dr. O'Neill's emphasis on natural remedies often ties back to food being medicine, and avocado fits right into this philosophy. Barbara O'Neill also connects this practice to another powerful plant, comfrey. While she praises comfrey for its ability to stimulate growth and heal bones, ligaments, and tissues, it's interesting how avocado plays a similarly vital role when consumed regularly. The healing properties of both these plants seem to work in sync, and Dr. O'Neill encourages using avocado in meals to promote the body's natural repair mechanisms. For those who think healing comes only through medicine or surgery, Dr. Barbara O'Neill's approach offers a different perspective. She stresses that the body is capable of extraordinary healing if given the right tools, and avocado, in this case, is one of those tools. The vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats from the avocado help nourish and repair from the inside out, much like comfrey does externally. What's truly fascinating is how Dr. O'Neill layers her advice with personal stories of patients who have experienced remarkable healing through these simple, natural methods. Whether it's a broken bone healing faster with comfrey, or someone feeling energized after incorporating avocado into their diet, Dr. Barbara O'Neill is always ready with examples of the body's incredible resilience.
Avocado, tomato, cucumber, sourdough, spelt toast, and lentils on top, or in Australia you can buy baked beans. Everyone has baked beans.
Healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest ingredients, like avocado in a well-prepared meal, can work wonders. In just a month, the daily use of such powerful foods can lead to noticeable improvements in health. So is your body ready to heal itself with this simple addition to your diet? The results might just surprise you. What's interesting is how she emphasizes the importance of preparing food in ways that enhance their healing power. It's not just about eating an avocado. It's about the synergy of ingredients that make a real difference in how your body heals itself.
Cucumber, avocado, and lettuce. And that's the beauty of the health retreat. We usually do a slightly different salad every day to show them different things you can do, because most people don't eat enough raw.
When Dr. Barbara O'Neill talks about healing, she often draws a connection between food and the body's natural ability to recover from injury or illness. She believes that the body can heal much faster with the right combination of nutrients. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamins, play a crucial role here. Dr. O'Neill highlights that these fats are essential for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are critical for tissue repair and immune function, making avocados a powerhouse in the healing process. According to Dr. O'Neill, avocados aren't just a trendy superfood, They're packed with everything your body needs to heal, grow, and thrive. Dr. O'Neill explains that avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats aren't the kind you should avoid. They're the kind that lower bad cholesterol while boosting the good one. She highlights how these fats are crucial in heart health, helping to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. But Dr. O'Neill doesn't stop there. She stresses that these same fats nourish your skin, making it glow from the inside out. The healing powers of avocados don't only stop at the heart, they extend to every cell in your body. And let's talk about vitamins. Dr. O'Neill points out how avocados are packed with vital vitamins like C, E, K, and several B vitamins, including folate. Now here's where the suspense builds. When your body is running low on these vitamins, a series of issues can start piling up. Fatigue, poor immunity, and sluggish recovery from illness. Dr. O'Neill carefully explains how incorporating avocados into your diet regularly can turn this around. Vitamin C strengthens your immune system, while vitamin E helps repair damaged cells. Folate supports brain function, keeping your mind sharp, while vitamin K plays an essential role in bone health.
Cucumber, avocado, pumpkin, zucchini, eggplant. Yep. So what would be the raw?
Dr. O'Neill also emphasizes the importance of minerals. Avocados are rich in potassium, magnesium, and copper, nutrients that people often overlook. Potassium, she says, is vital for regulating blood pressure, and magnesium plays a key role in muscle function and relaxation. She warns that without enough magnesium, you could face constant muscle cramps and stress. Copper, on the other hand, supports iron absorption, and Dr. O'Neill underscores how important it is for maintaining healthy blood and energy levels. Then there's the fiber, nearly 7 grams per 100 grams of avocado, which Dr. O'Neill highlights as a must-have for gut health. She explains how fiber moves food through the digestive system, preventing issues like constipation, while also feeding the good bacteria in your gut. According to her, a healthy gut means a strong immune system and better overall health. In just a month of adding avocados to your daily meals, Dr. O'Neill assures that you will start seeing noticeable improvements in your energy levels, digestion, and even skin appearance. She speaks about this simple fruit with such passion because she's seen the results firsthand. Avocados can truly heal your body, one bite at a time. She emphasizes that avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium, which work together to support the cardiovascular system. According to Dr. O'Neill, these two elements help in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. She explains that these small changes in diet, like adding avocados, can reduce the risk of heart disease. Dr. O'Neill's message is clear. It's not just about eating, it's about eating with purpose. And avocados can be that purpose when it comes to protecting your heart. But heart health is just the beginning. Dr. Barbara O'Neill moves on to the brain, and this is where she draws the audience in deeper. She talks about the folate and vitamin E in avocados, which aren't just for general health, but play a key role in brain function. These nutrients help prevent cognitive decline, and Dr. O'Neill stresses that this is something we should take seriously. She talks about the link between folate and the prevention of homocysteine buildup, which can affect mood and memory.
A little bit, and they'll have it on toast for breakfast with avocado and tomato, and for lunch they'll have it with vegetables and salad.
Dr. O'Neill then addresses digestive health, pointing out how the fiber content in avocados can make a difference in just a month. She explains how fiber aids digestion, promotes bowel regularity, and nurtures a healthy gut. This is where the healing power of avocados becomes even more exciting. Dr. O'Neill believes that by eating avocados, you're not just supporting your gut, you're helping your whole body stay balanced. What's particularly fascinating is when Dr. Barbara O'Neill speaks about the anti-inflammatory properties of avocados. She talks about compounds like phytosterols and omega-3 fatty acids that work as natural anti-inflammatories. For anyone dealing with chronic inflammation or conditions like arthritis, she suggests that avocados could be a key part of managing symptoms. There's a feeling of hope here. Dr. O'Neill is offering solutions that feel within reach. Next, she moves on to bone health. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes the importance of vitamin K, present in avocados, for maintaining bone density and improving calcium absorption. Dr. O'Neill's approach focuses on prevention through nature's own remedies, and avocados play a key role in this. For expectant mothers, Dr. Barbara O'Neill offers even more insight. She explains that avocados are rich in folate, an essential nutrient during pregnancy. Folate supports fetal development and helps lower the risk of neural tube defects, making avocados a must-have for pregnant women. Dr. O'Neill's guidance is simple. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're not just nourishing yourself, but also giving your baby a healthy start in life. She explains how, when used right, avocados can work wonders for your body, and in just 1 month, you could see and feel the difference. The key, Dr. O'Neill emphasizes, lies in how you incorporate these nutrient-rich fruits into your daily routine, starting with breakfast.
Let me suggest another breakfast. Let's say avocado. Avocado. Tomato.
Take her savory breakfast option, for example. Dr. O'Neill suggests mixing avocados with fresh tomatoes and cucumbers, a simple yet powerful way to boost your morning. Avocados, rich in healthy fats, combined with tomatoes and cucumbers, provide a refreshing crunch packed with vitamins A and C. But that's not all. Dr. O'Neill adds a layer of intrigue by mentioning how this combination doesn't just taste good, it supports your immune system and gives your skin a natural glow. And with a few dashes of salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice, she explains that you're starting your day with a plate of nourishment that feels almost too easy. Dr. O'Neill doesn't stop there. She knows that variety is crucial for anyone looking to heal their body quickly. That's why she also highlights a heartier option: sourdough spelt toast topped with mashed avocado and legumes like lentils or black-eyed beans. For those wondering how this simple meal can make such a difference, Dr. O'Neill reveals the secret. The spelt bread offers complex carbs for lasting energy, the legumes provide much-needed protein and fiber, and the avocado brings it all together with its healthy fats. This combination not only satisfies your hunger, but helps balance your blood sugar, making you feel energized for hours. And the magic of avocados doesn't stop at mere nutrition. Dr. O'Neill dives deeper into their role in digestion and overall health. By incorporating avocados into your breakfast every day, she explains, you'll notice improvements in digestion and nutrient absorption, helping your body repair itself from within. But as Dr. O'Neill cautions, it's not about a quick fix, it's about consistency. The healing power of avocados reveals itself over time, and within just 1 month of following these simple, delicious recipes, your body will start to feel more balanced, more energized, and more resilient. Dr. O'Neill also points out the rich mineral content in avocados. Potassium, magnesium, and copper make this fruit a nutritional powerhouse. Dr. O'Neill explains how it helps balance sodium levels in the body, and with each avocado packed with around 485 milligrams of potassium, it's clear why she advocates its regular inclusion in meals. Magnesium, too, plays a crucial role, supporting everything from muscle function to blood sugar regulation. In other words, avocados offer a holistic approach to wellness, targeting multiple systems within the body. What's interesting is how Dr. O'Neill advises incorporating avocados into everyday meals without compromising taste. She recommends adding them to smoothies for a creamy texture without overpowering other flavors. Picture this: you could enjoy a nutrient-rich smoothie that boosts your health while keeping things tasty.
Yeah, berries. Do you know what can make it creamy too and doesn't really change the taste too much is avocado.
But Dr. O'Neill's advice goes beyond heart health and smoothies. Avocados are champions of digestion thanks to their high fiber content. By promoting regular bowel movements, they support gut health, which, as Dr. O'Neill emphasizes, is foundational to overall wellness. And don't overlook their antioxidant properties. Dr. O'Neill highlights how rich avocados are in carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the body against oxidative stress. Beyond breakfast, Barbara O'Neill highlights how avocados can transform your entire meal plan. She loves combining them with spinach and legumes. Think sautéed spinach, cooked lentils, and diced avocado, all seasoned and served over quinoa or brown rice. The balance of vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats makes this dish a powerhouse for your body's healing.
And when we put the avocado in, we're putting a few more minerals in. We're putting a very nice fat in.
What sets Dr. Barbara O'Neill apart is her practical approach. She doesn't offer complicated advice or fancy ingredients. Instead, she gives easy tips that can fit into anyone's daily routine. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, her use of avocados allows for endless variety, ensuring that you can enjoy the healing benefits in multiple forms, be it toast, smoothies, porridge, or hearty meals. Barbara O'Neill's insights into using avocados stretch beyond just taste. By following her advice and consistently adding avocados to your meals, you could see a significant improvement in your body's health within a month. Simple changes, big results, just like she always says.